Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Jeep Liberty Sport 4-wheel drive, stock number E1734P. Only 72,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. True blue, pearl in color. This Liberty is very clean inside and out. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Body is free of dents or dings. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Easy to read gauges. You got only 72,000 miles. Tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Liberty is a 3.7 liter V6, 215 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Liberty, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.